Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs, and today I'm going to show you how I mess up by trying to take off the vinyl off a t-shirt that I put on. I make t-shirts with vinyl and a heat press. I did a bunch of t-shirts for a cheer team, TMC Blackout, and the coach wanted the team members' names on the back of this Razorback shirt. Cute, right? So I did them all, and then I sent her a picture of them, and she says, oh no, I forgot, we have different girls now, and I need the names off. And she just wanted it blank. So I was like, oh no. So she's a very good customer of mine, so I'm not going to tell her no. So I talked to a few people, and they told me to take an iron and get the letters off, which I attempted, and it left the residue here. So then I was told to try Goo Gone to get it off. Tried that. This was the result I got from the Goo Gone. Took a little bit off, but you can still see it. And then I was told to try Goof Off, just similar to Goo Gone. Tried that up here. That's the result I got. I've heard other people talk about this VLR, vinyl lettering removal, I guess it is. And I needed something instantly. That's why I went with the Goof Off and the Goo Gone, because I went to Home Depot, because my stores don't have this. I had to order it online. I didn't want to wait. So I ran to Home Depot, got the Goof Off, got the Goo Gone, tried those real quick. They didn't work. Ended up calling the customer back and said, look, I need some time because I got to order the special stuff. If not, we'll have to go to Plan B. Figure out what Plan B is. So I ended up ordering this stuff from Amazon. I don't remember the price, honestly. Came pretty quickly, and I tried it. You're supposed to put it on the back and pull it apart, and it was supposed to take the residue off, which it took some of it off, but you could still see it a little bit. So I tried it on just the actual lettering. This was the result I got. This is dry now. You can still see the lettering. I'm going to show you the process and what they said to do. Turn this upside down, and I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, hopefully keep you in frame, and show you what they say to do. So here's the letter. You can see the letter R. I'm going to show you how it comes off. It's pretty cool, actually. You're supposed to do this in a well-ventilated area. However, it's freezing cold here. I'm in the northeast of the United States, and I'm not going outside. Today is March 22nd? 21st? Sorry. So anyway, I did that on that side. Turn it over. Yesterday it was like 80. Today it's like 40 here. I'm in Pennsylvania, outside of Philly, if you can't tell by my accent. Some people don't like my accent. I don't hear it. But, alright, you can see it's starting to come off already. This is the fun part. Probably supposed to be wearing gloves. The whole piece came right off. Very cool, huh? You are probably supposed to be wearing gloves. I don't know. Then you rub to get this glue off. So I've done that. You can still kind of see it. I don't know if you can, but I can still kind of see the R through it. I was hoping once it dried, this was the same process I did up here. Once it dried, you wouldn't see it anymore. Let me try to put some more on here. See if I don't want to ruin the material. So I did talk to the coach, and I said, Plan B, I think we're going to have to go with. I don't want to be putting chemicals on here and then having the girls allergic to it either. So I'm going to have to wash all these. Hopefully they're not allergic to any of the detergent I would use. To get some fragrance free and whatever. This job's costing me a lot of money here now. This little faux pas. But like I said, she's a really good customer. She's given me a lot of business. So I'm not going to fret over this. So anyway, yeah, I'm not too thrilled with that. So Plan B is, the name of their team is the TMC, what are they, Blackout, Senior Blackout. So we just have, oops, sorry, I hit you again. We have TMC Blackout on here. So on the back, I'm just going to take off all this vinyl and put the word senior down it to cover up the residue. So that's the plan. I'll insert a picture once I'm done of one of them so you can see. But right now I gotta take all these off, put them in the wash so I can get it all washed, and hope to God that doesn't mess up. Knowing me, it will. I'm gonna wash them all. I'm gonna do them in cold water, inside out, and delicate. Hopefully that doesn't mess things up. And then going to cut out the vinyl pieces and iron them on, and then I'll show you guys the final product. So that's what's going on in my world today. Hey, by the way, subscribe. Please help out my family by subscribing. I do all kinds of videos, haul videos, crafting videos. So more to come. Give me a like. Give me some ideas on how to get rid of this stuff, guys. It's horrible, huh? Anyway, subscribe, please. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye. Hi guys, sorry I messed up the sound here on this one. I don't know what happened. It wasn't recording or something. Anyway, I'm just showing you that I did put it into the system to cut out the vinyl for the word senior, and I'm basically showing you how I do that. You can speed through this if you want. It's basically going to show you how it cuts. Like I said, I'm technically challenged, so I'm lucky I got this far, honestly. But that's basically what's happening here is the Cricut is cutting. As you know, if you do have a Cricut, it does take a little while to cut, and that's where we are with this part. I don't know if you can see it, but I am now cutting the word senior 8 times across. Here. Of course, it's mirrored because I'm going to have to put it on the back of the shirts. Let me show you what happened with the shirts when I took it out of the washer. They look. Put it over here. Didn't come out too good. You can still see the name. So if she's going to give these to other girls, you're going to have the name on the back. So I did do a sample. Sorry, I'm moving you guys all around. Get the sample. So I cut out 2 of the seniors. One there, one longer, one shorter, because some of the names are short, like Nina, or Naya, N-I-Y-A. And this will cover that up perfectly. And then for the longer names like Mackenzie, that'll cover that up. So I'm going to cut 8 of the short ones, and I believe 8 of the long ones. I'm not sure how many long ones I need, but sorry if I make you dizzy. Excuse my mess. Anyway, that's what I'm in the midst of doing now. Then I'm going to iron them on later on tonight, so I'll show you that process. And that's how I fixed my boo-boo. but hopefully it'll work out all right. We'll see what happens. I'll show you the final product after I'm done cutting all this out. I am using the Cricut, so it does take a little while to cut. So I'll go about doing something else while I'm waiting for this to happen. It's on the end now, so it did all the S's across, all the E, and we're doing ends. So, alright guys, I'll be back. Also, in the process of the wash, the stars on a few of them fell off, which means to me that I didn't press them on well enough. So luckily I have some extras that I can put them on. There was a total of 3, 1, 2, 3 that came off. So dang it, I gotta put them on as well. Here is the seniors all cut out. There's the smaller ones. They're gonna go on the back, like I said. Here's the larger ones, or I'm sorry, they're the larger ones, and these are the smaller ones that are going to go on the back of the shirt. So I have to cut them out. I have to get the 3 stars that I have here and take it upstairs and press them on. So hopefully I'll do that tonight while I'm getting dinner ready. I'll be able to heat up my press and get them all on there and get this order done. However, the situation is in the country, well, in the world actually, we're all kind of under quarantine. So, I'm not going to be able to deliver them. At least they're done and ready for the customer when she's ready. So, more to come. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Senior down the back where we took off the names. We covered up pretty good, as you can see. And the stars were put on, the ones that came off in the wash. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Just make sure you subscribe. Bye.